Your love is way too much to give us less at least. 'Cause what if your blessing